Gururam Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear first class students, we will discuss about money. From your workbook, volume 2, page number 23. Beta. See here, everybody open. Page number 23 from your workbook. Circle the coins to show how much you need to buy this toy. Actually, the cost of toy 47 rupees beta. The cost of toy 47 rupees. See here, you need how many coins equal to 47 rupees. Then you can circle it. See now. So you need 10 rupees coin, plus 10 rupees coin, 10 rupees plus 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Next, 5 rupees coin, 5 rupees. So 25, 30. Next, 5 rupees coin, 35. Next, 5 rupees coin, 40. See, 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Again 5 rupees coin. See here, 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now, you need 2 rupees coin. So, 10 rupees coin to 5 rupees coin, how many beta? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 rupees coin, 1. Circle it. Five rupees coin, how many beta? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 2 rupees coin, 1 beta. ₹10, ₹10, ₹5, ₹5, ₹5, ₹5, and 2 rupees coin. See, 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, see, 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So, 40, now here 42. So, how many need 2 rupees coin? See here. See Nana, here 5 rupees coin only 4 is given. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 20, 40. Okay, 47 you need. 2 rupees coin how many? 1, 2, 3, See here. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. See here once again. 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Once again. 10 plus 10, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45 plus 2, 47. 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. See here, how many are there, beta? 5 rupees kind. See, 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 10 plus 10, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40. So, 42. 42. See here. 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 46, 47 beta. So 47 means 1. Once again is a 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 42, 44, 44 plus 2, 46, 46 plus 1, 47 beta. See here, 2 rupees can how many you need? 1, 2, 3. So circle 3. How many? 2 rupees can? 3. Okay, 1 rupee can? 1 beta. That's it. Now next page. How much money do you need to eat all the following? See, this is bread, 13 rupees. Now here juice 15 rupees. Biscuit cost 10 rupees. This is ice cream 5 rupees. Now lollipop 4 rupees. Next chocolate 2 rupees beta. So first one is glass of juice plus lollipop. Glass of juice 15 rupees plus lollipop 4 rupees. 15 rupees plus 4 rupees you can get 19 rupees. Write down. You can write 19 rupees. This is. Now see here. So the cost of glass of juice 15 rupees. The cost of lollipop 4 rupees. 15 plus 4 you can get 19 rupees. Now next one. First row, second one. So the cost of biscuit 10 rupees plus the cost of that is cake, no? So 5 rupees. 10 plus 5 you can get 15 rupees. Write down everybody. Next second row, first one. See, that is a bread, no? Bread cake. 13 rupees plus chocolate 2 rupees. 13 plus 2 you can get 15 rupees. Write down everybody. Now next one is cake plus lollipop. The cost of cake here 5 rupees plus lollipop 4 rupees. 5 plus 4 9 rupees beta. Next one so third row first one bread cake that is 13 rupees plus biscuit. The cost of biscuit 10 rupees. See here 13 plus 10. 13 plus 10. See 3 plus 0 3 1 plus 1 2. You can get 23 rupees better. Next the cost of chocolate 2 rupees given plus cake here 5 rupees. So 2 plus 5 you can get 7 rupees better. Next the cost of biscuit 10 rupees. So fourth row first one plus lollipop 4 rupees. 10 rupees plus 4 rupees you can get 14 rupees. Next bread ice cream that is what is the cost 13 rupees plus juice glass of juice 15 rupees. See here 13 plus 15 3 plus 5 8 1 plus 1 2. So you can get 28 rupees better. So write down here 28 rupees. Now next page number 25. Sunita has a stationery shop. Find out how much she earned from each sale. See here the cost of pencil 3 rupees. The cost of scale 4 rupees. The cost of chalk mark that is 6 rupees. First one is Shravan bought 3 pencils. Shravan bought 3 pencils. Listen carefully. So the cost of each pencil 3 rupees. 3 rupees plus 3 rupees plus this is symbol of rupees 3 rupees. 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 3 9 rupees better. So you can write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus that is equals to 9. Write down everybody. Next one, Madhu bought 3 sharpeners. See the cost of each sharpener 6 rupees. See here, 6 rupees plus 6 rupees plus 6 rupees. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18. So you can get 18 rupees. Now next, Vishal bought 4 scales. The cost of each scale is 3 rupees. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So you can get 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4. You can get 16 better, 16 rupees. Next, Ajit bought 2 sharpeners. The cost of each sharpener 6 rupees. 6 plus 6 you can get 12 rupees better. Next one is Raji bought 6 pencils. The cost of each pencil is 3 rupees. So 3 6 times 3 6 are 18 rupees better. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18 better. Now next, activity book beta. Everybody open your activity book. Page number 29. Activity book. Page number 29. See here, shopping, money. The cost of cup ice cream 3 rupees. The cost of like lollipop 1 rupee. Next the cost of ice cream 2 rupees. The cost of cone ice cream 3 rupees beta. So you can add. Next the cost of biscuit 5 rupees. The cost of egg puff 6 rupees. The cost of this is also one type of chocolate 3 rupees. The cost of chocolate this is 4 rupees beta. Now here first one the cost of biscuit 5 rupees. Plus the cost of chocolate here 4 rupees. Now the cost of lollipop 1 rupee. See here 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10 beta 10 rupees. Okay, so next one is first row, second one the cost of biscuit 5 rupees plus the cost of chocolate. So this is 4 rupees chocolate plus the cost of like peppermint chocolate. This is 3 rupees. See here 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 you can get 12 rupees. Write down everybody 12 rupees. See, once you see. So this is the cost of things. Okay, you can hide it. Very easy, simple. Particular figure cost is given. Then you can hide it. See here beta. Now next one. Second row first one. The cost of cone ice cream 3 rupees. Plus the cost of peppermint like chocolate 3 rupees. Plus egg puff 6 rupees. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 you can get 12 rupees. Write down everybody. Next second row, second one. Cost of cone ice cream 3 rupees. Cost of cup ice cream 3 rupees. Plus cost of chocolate this is 2 rupees. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 you can get 8. Write down 8 rupees. Now next third row first one. Chocolate. So this is 2 rupees beta. Plus cup ice cream 3 rupees beta. Next lollipop 1 rupee. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1 you can get 6 rupees beta. Third row first one 6 rupees. Now next third row second one. The cost of biscuits 5 rupees. Plus the cost of cup ice cream 3 rupees. Plus the cost of egg pop 6 rupees. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 6. 8 in the mind, we have to take 6 fingers in your hand. 8 plus 6 you can get 14 rupees beta. Okay, third row, second one also completed. Now next, last row. The cost of biscuit 5 rupees. The cost of cup ice cream 3 rupees. Cost of lollipop 1 rupee. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 rupees beta. Now next to last row, last one. Cup ice cream. The cost of cup ice cream 3 rupees. The cost of egg puff 6 rupees. Next the cost of lollipop 1 rupee. 3 plus 6 9 plus 1 you can get 10 rupees beta. Okay, thank you everybody. Today our class is completed. Thank you.